So I'm going to venture to say that everybody kind of has their type. They have their like the things that attract them to certain knives. Maybe it's the length, the size, some certain materials. Me, it's going to be premium liner locks. There's something about premium liner locks. I just once I see it, I have to have it. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna make sure I have it, so I can look at it for 5 minutes, go ooh, then put it in the case and forget I have it. But this one actually, this goes in a little different collection. This goes in my Timascus collection. So this one does have Timascus onlays. This is the Arcane Designs Preytheon. I hope I'm saying that right. I might be saying it right. I don't know. But it's the only Arcane Designs I have, and the only Arcane Designs I'm honestly familiar with. So I don't really know any of their other models. I don't follow the company. Don't know who it is. Don't know. But this one, this is a sick model right here. Look at that. It's just thumb studs. We even got a finger fuller. Even a front flipper. And it's a liner lock. Full titanium. Timascus inlays. And 20 CV on the blade steel. Let's dive in. So overall, we have a length of about 7 1/4. We have a handle that's just over 4 inches. It's about 4 1/16. And a blade that is 3 3/16. So put that together, and we are at 7 1/4. The maths on this one. Absolutely beautiful. Blade thickness, handle thickness. So measuring around the onlays, which would be the thickest part, we have a little bit of a chunker, 0.555. Yeah, we'll call that 0.555. Okay, so when you go play pick 3, play 555 for me. Behind the spine, it is a 0.140. And that's all we're going to measure. Weight's not too bad on this. In grams, we're at 114. And 4.04 ounces. So full titanium liner lock at 4 ounces. That is not bad at all. That's what to expect. I'm not going to expect a super lightweight carry. This is just, the detent is great on this. I've never had to make any adjustments. Good centering out of the box. This has been handled a lot for a long time. Good lockup. What's not to love? Look at it. So let's compare it against some other popular models here in that range. We have the Asher Spyro in liner lock. We have a Hogue Deca. We being me, by myself, playing with knives. I have a Concept Model 6. This one is in carbon fiber. All much the same range. I have a Benchmade bug out. And M390. The only bug out worth owning. I have a mini Adamus, Adamus 2, mini Adamus, whatever it is. That one. How about a Demco 80 20.5? No, it's Alpha Delta, not 80, the number. Don't be Googling 80 20.5. I don't know what you're going to find. How about the CJRB Echo? My favorite CJRB. Let's bring in some Spydercos. Do a pair of 3 lightweight. Same size as a pair of 3. This particular one is the St. Nick's lightweight in 4V. as well as a St. Nick's Paramilitary 2. And guess what steel? If you guessed 4V, you are correct. We could do a Mannix too. And if you're not sold on the size yet, here's a little native. And the military too, before it goes away for good. Because once I put something in a case, I tend to forget I have it. That happens when you reach the ripe old age of... Yep. There we go. Let's get rid of this one. And this one. Let's get intimate with this thing. Beautiful satin finish. Beautiful. Maybe wipe it up a little bit. There we go. A gorgeous, gorgeous satin finish on the blade. We have a nice finger choil right here, right there. Place to rest your finger. Pivot, looks like a T8. There's a T9. And movement on the T8. I'm going to venture to say start with a T9 if you don't want to strip it. Definitely, yeah, good bite with a T9. Timascus inlay. It looks like it might be an onlay. I'm sure it's inlaid, so it's like kind of half and half, because it does protrude out the side, as you can see. The Arcane design stamped inside the back spacer there. Beautifully done. Interesting pocket clip, kind of a point, and then it folds over to the back, like the Liangma Field Duty and some other models like that. So it's a cool way to do it because it gives you the ability for left or right without leaving holes in your scales. Pocket clip functions well. Pretty easy. I like this a lot. This reminds me of the quiet carry and the Liangma, where you get that nice deep carry and you have a nice titanium clip. I guess that'd be a milled titanium clip, but it's milled and stamped at the same time because it's stamped here, milled here, and stamped, milled, stamped. Folded? I don't know. You tell me. Looks like T8 on the body, or maybe T9. Yeah, it's going to be T9 as well. The show side. Look at the beautiful satin blade of the Arcane logo. Thumb studs. Beautiful pivot, nice and flush and flat, nothing on it. Captive, of course. Another Timascus inlay. Only thing in there is you can see the screws that hold in the Timascus, which is good. That's not glued. We have some milling for weight reduction. And then the liner. Well, and the blade stop. So the lock bar. Not the lock bar, the blade stop. The close and open stop, which is coming just behind the sharpening choil within the finger choil. And that's landing up in here. So that's, I mean, you shouldn't be sharpening back that far. If you're sharpening this knife that much, I mean, good for you. You've made it in life. Good for you. Front flipper is easy to deploy. The thumb studs are easy to deploy. No lock block, because it's not a frame lock. Good lockup. Thick jimping. I love the liner lock. Can even do the over the front. Would I buy it again? That's questionable. I would venture to say that if the price is right and my collection was stolen, I think I would buy this one again. I enjoy this one a lot. I'm happy to have it in my collection. I love models like this. I want to see more models like this. I love titanium liner locks. I'm a sucker for titanium liner locks. I mean, that's like, if I design a knife, it's going to be a titanium liner lock. It's what I like. It's clean, it looks good, it's aesthetically pleasing. There's something nice, especially when it's like kind of nested like that in the scale. So you're only seeing the part you touch. It's not like fully out, you know. So nicely done. Nicely done. There we go. We got Ida out here. Ida is losing in the blade, losing in the edge, and she is going to win it in the handle. Because Ida is a she. Because her name's Ida. Or the Ida could be a guy's name. Is it? I don't know, maybe Ida's like non-binary. I don't know. I might need to check its card. See if Ida stays in this house. Well, that'll TBD. Winning in the handle. Thank you, Ida. Get yourself an everyday axe. Everybody needs an everyday axe. Because real men carry axes. If you made it this far, yeah, just do the thing.
I made you a logo.
I love it, buddy. But you gotta sign it.
MR Knives, Jack.